Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Port Royal Street Revetment project, and basically we're going to take a look at the progress. The project should be about 99% complete, and it was basically renovating Port Royal Street and reinforcing the harbor wall on Port Royal Street. So we're going to take a look at that project. We are currently on Harbor Street heading towards Port Royal Street. Now this project, very important project. It was nicely done. It was needed. Basically, the government is trying to rehabilitate downtown Kingston, and so this project now was done basically in the Raytown area. So they fixed the road, made it into 6 lanes, nicely paved, markings, but they also built a boardwalk beside the road so that persons could walk up and down, similar to the boardwalk that they have on Palisades Strip. They also built an area where cars can park and persons can go fishing and basically use the boardwalk. So straight ahead now, we're going on to Port Royal Street, and this project is about 99% complete. So here you can see the road is nicely marked. It was recently renovated. It was paved over. Now on the left is GP, or General Penitentiary. It's a prison in Jamaica, and it's actually sitting down on prime real estate. But many persons have asked why they don't move it, but it's the cost associated with building a new prison. So let's see what happens there. Okay, we're now going into the Raytown area, and Raytown is a fishing village, and basically it has the Raytown beach, so the fishermen go out, collect the fish, or catch a fish I should say, and then come back to this area that we're going to see on the right now, and they sell the fish. Very popular area. And if we continued straight on this road, it would eventually lead us back to the airport, but we're going to make a U-turn. Okay, straight ahead where you see that red building, that's where they sell the fish. So on the left is the Raytown area, and the official name of the beach is the Raytown Fishing Beach. But we're back on Port Royal Street, and we're going to take a look at the new facility that was built along with the boardwalk, and also looked at what they did with the harbor wall to reinforce it so that it doesn't deteriorate. Alright, so on the left now where we're turning in is the parking facility where you can park and use the boardwalk. You can also do fishing, and there you can see the boardwalk goes right across. The boardwalk is where you see the tiles. They've put in some trees, nicely done. Now straight ahead you can see that they built where you see the rocks. That's what they did to reinforce the harbor wall, to make sure it doesn't damage the road. Okay, so straight ahead is another view of the GP, General Penitentiary. Now that prison was built hundreds of years ago. You can see from the brick wall, that gives you an idea of when it was built. So you can see the boardwalk is nicely done. And as we said, this boardwalk is similar to the one that was built on the Palisades Strip. Okay, now the reason why we said the project is 99% finished is on the left where you see the boardwalk, you see some plastic pipes sticking out of the ground. Now they're supposed to put street lamps there. So once that's the only thing basically left for the project to be finished. The road is finished, the boardwalk is finished, the work on the seawall is finished. It's just the street lights, or I think they're going to put in some fancy street lamps. That's all they're waiting on for the project to be finished. So as you can see, it's very nicely done, and the view of the harbor is spectacular. and the boardwalk goes right around. They built like a bridge for the boardwalk, and it takes you all the way back into downtown Kingston. Oh, they're actually painting some sort of murals on the wall. Very nice, very nicely done. And as you can see, downtown Kingston has a very nice skyline with all these buildings. Now I know these projects cost a lot of money, but this is the kind of progress you like to see happening in Jamaica. Very nicely done, and hopefully they'll have more projects like this throughout the island. Now the only drawback to this project is the nice road ends right here. I'm not sure why they never just paved the entire road going down to Marcus Garvey Drive. Hopefully this part of the road will be renovated soon and the white lines put back in, because it's a very nice project, a very nice road, and this is a very busy road. It takes you literally from the airport, through downtown Kingston. So hopefully this section of the road will be fixed soon. Alright, on the left where you see that black glass, that's the Scotia Center. It's one of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. I think it's the second tallest building actually. Only the Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston is taller. However, plans have been approved for buildings to be built that will be taller than the Pegasus. However, they haven't been built yet, so as of today, the Pegasus is still the tallest building in Jamaica. So basically, Spanish Town Road takes you right through downtown Kingston and takes you onto Marcus Garvey Drive. And from Marcus Garvey Drive, you can access the Portmore Expressway, which takes you into Portmore. Marcus Garvey Drive also takes you onto the Kingston Wharf, and it also connects you back to Spanish Town Road. So at this intersection now, this is intersection of Port Royal Street and King Street. And if you turn left on King Street, that would take you down to Ocean Boulevard. If you turn right, it would take you up to the parade area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.